Alright, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to replace a turn signal stalk on a Pontiac G6. This is a very common issue that almost every G6 goes through, and that's the turn signal fails to turn off after you make a turn. The automatic shutoff goes bad. So what you need to do is go behind the steering wheel and pull up on the plastic cover on the top. You can easily do this by pulling on the two circles on either side of it that normally the stalk comes through. Just pull up on it and it'll come off. A helpful tip is to tape this cover up onto the gauges so it's up and out of the way. I just use painter's tape for this. Then to take the bottom half of the cover off, there are three 7mm bolts. So get a 7mm socket and a little wrench and take those three out. Once those are out, it's really simple. All you have to do is disconnect the old turn signal. There are two connectors. And then you pinch the top and the bottom of the turn signal, the little box, and the whole unit slides right out. Then, once the unit's out, all you do is plug the new one in, slide it in, and you should hear a click. And before you put everything back on, make sure that the turn signals and brights work. Then replace the bottom cover with the three 7mm bolts, and then snap the top back in. It's a really simple, easy fix, and the part was found online for about $25. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below.